Oh, then.
Hello there, it's Daniel O'Donnell here. Just wanted to let you know that Féileadh Fiche Fíosa Trí is now available. That's the calendar for 2023. I've been telling you about these calendars the last couple of years. They're produced by Eamon Coyle and beautiful pictures. Eamon is a photographer himself, and lovely landscapes and also wildlife. It's just a beautiful creation, and every month has a different picture. So if you go on to www.eamoncoyle.com, you'll be able to make contact with him. There's some phone numbers there, or you can send him a message. Well done to Eamon for this great initiative, and hope all is well, and thanks very much.
Farewell to kind relations, I am bound for America.